Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to start a new chapter, Parts of Speech. When you look at the heading, the first question that raises in your mind is, what's a speech? Speech is the expression of or the ability to express our thoughts and feelings by articulate sounds. Just look at your body. How a body has different parts, in the same way the speech has different parts. We call them as parts of speech. According to the nature and function of the words in the sentence, words are divided into the following 8 classes called parts of speech. So which are they? They are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Which are they, children? Recall them once again. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. These are the 8 kinds of parts of speech. Now let us know about them in detail. Here is the first one. Noun. The sentences are given as the examples. Just look at them. India is the biggest democracy in the world. S.P. Balasubramaniam is very famous. Money is the root of all evil. The words underlined in the above examples are all the names of persons, places, or things. They are called nouns. For example, look at the second sentence. S.P. Balasubramaniam is very famous. Who is very famous? S.P. Balasubramaniam is very famous. S.P. Balasubramaniam is the name of a person. In short, what's a noun? Noun is a naming word. A noun may be defined as the name of a person, place, or thing. By thing, we mean something that can be seen and touched, or something that can only be thought of and not seen and touched. What is that? So there are some things which we can see, but there are some things which cannot be seen, but we can feel them. So these are nouns. Now let us know about the 5 main kinds of nouns. The 5 main kinds of nouns are: number 1, proper noun; number 2, common noun; number 3, collective noun; number 4, material noun; number 5, abstract noun. It's time to know about proper noun. Look at these words: Govind, Irfan, Mary, Karnataka, Everest, Africa, Bhagavad Gita, Amazon, Ford, Titanic. Children, these are all the names of particular persons, places, or things. They are called proper nouns. A proper noun may be defined as the name of a particular person, place, or thing. What's a proper noun? A proper noun may be defined as the name of a particular person, place, or thing. Now, see the examples. Denmark is famous for dairy products. Chhatrapati Shivaji was a king. In these examples, the words underlined are Denmark and Chhatrapati Shivaji. Denmark and Chhatrapati Shivaji, these are the names of a particular country and person respectively. Denmark is the name of the country. Chhatrapati Shivaji is the name of a person or the name of the king. So, they are proper nouns. Proper nouns begin with a capital letter. Always remember this. Proper nouns begin with a capital letter. Now I have given you a few examples. January, September, Saturday, Monday. Wings of Fire, the name of the book. The famous book which is written by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Wings of Fire. And then there is a name of the newspaper, Deccan Herald, and etc. So this is about proper nouns. What's a proper noun? Proper noun is defined as the name of a particular person, place, or thing. Let us know about the second kind of noun, that is common noun. Some words are given here, just observe them. Boy, king, river, mountain, tree, chair, cow, etc. These are all the names that can be applied to any one of a class of persons, places, or things. Such nouns are called common nouns. Once again, look at the words boy, king, river, mountain, tree, chair, cow. Now look at the examples here. An old man should be helped. One more sentence is given over here. An ant lives in a hole. In these examples, ant, hole, and man, these are the common names for all ants, holes, and all men respectively. So, ant, hole, man, these are all common nouns. Some examples are given here for common nouns. Book, newspaper, religion, singer, ocean, building, etc. So what are common nouns? Common nouns are the names that can be applied to any one of a class of persons, places, or things. This is the time to know about collective noun. A crowd of people, a herd of cattle, a fleet of ships, a team of players, a flock of sheep. So once again, look at all these. A crowd of people. Here, what is underlined? Crowd is underlined. A herd of cattle. Here, herd, H-E-R-D is underlined. H-E-R-D is underlined. Herd. A fleet of ships. Here, fleet is underlined. And then a team of players. The underlined word is team. A flock of sheep. Flock is underlined. The words underlined are the names of groups of persons or objects of the same kind. considered as a single whole. Such a group name is called a collective noun. The group of people is called here as crowd. The group of cattle is called as herd. The group of ships is called as fleet. The group of players is called as a team. The group of sheep is called as a flock. These words, they represent the names of groups of persons or objects of the same kind. Now look at these. A mob crowded the municipal hall. What is that? A mob. Second sentence. As the gardener shook the vine, a bunch of grapes fell down on the ground. A bunch. Bunch is a collective noun. Mob is the collective noun. Now here is the list of some collective nouns. A galaxy of stars. The group of stars is called a galaxy. A century of years. What is that? A century of years. Century is the collective noun. A clump of trees. A brood of chickens. A troupe of dancers or actors or musicians. A gang of robbers or burglars or thieves. A gang of robbers or burglars or thieves. And then a class of students. What is it? A class. And finally, I have given over here the statement, a crew of sailors. What is that? A crew. The group of sailors is called a crew. This is about collective noun. The words which represent the names of groups of persons or object of the same kind considered as a single whole are called collective nouns. Now let us know about the fourth kind of noun, that is material noun. The word itself, it says that this is about materials. Gold, silver, clay, stone, wood, cotton, iron, wool, etc. Children, these are the names of materials or substances out of which things are made. Such nouns are called material nouns. Children, one thing you have to remember, some material nouns are used also as common nouns. Now just look at these examples. Silk is produced by silkworms. And the second example is water is the elixir of life. Actually, water is an original element present in nature. So that is the material over here. That's why it's a material noun here in the sentence. Water is the elixir of life. This is about material nouns. It's time to move on to an abstract noun. Look at these words. Confidence, patience, talent, beauty, surprise, poverty. What's an abstract noun? An abstract noun is a quality, a concept, an idea or maybe even an event. What is it actually? An abstract noun is a quality, a concept, an idea, or maybe even an event. Dear children, remember, here you cannot see these ideas or qualities, but you can feel them. You can thought of it. You can think of it, but you can't touch it, you can't see it. Look at the examples. Sunil's behavior towards her elders is not appreciable. Here, behavior is an abstract noun. You cannot see it, but you can feel it. And second one, old age brings many diseases in its train. Yes, when a person becomes old, he gets so many diseases. Old age, can you see that? No, but you can feel that. You can see the old people, but that old age can't be seen. It can be understood. It can be felt. This is about abstract noun. So in this class, we have learnt about the 8 kinds of parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Then the kinds of nouns: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, abstract noun. I will continue in the next class about pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.